Hey guys, Disney Collector here with this brand new water toy. This is Ariel's floating fountain gift set. The fountain sprays water. So this is what comes in the box. The unassembled playset and two mermaids, Ariel and her sister Adrina. So here we have this little fountain already assembled. It has two swings. Time to place it in the water and try it out. Now that we have this floating fountain in the water, all we need to do is squeeze the pump and the fountain sprays water. Don't forget to use the little slide. Looks like Princess Anna and Queen Elsa wants to join the party. Now I'm gonna show you Ariel and all her sisters as color changers. Let's see if we can see the color change. Her top is now a darker pink. Ariel's top is now a darker purple. Wow, you can really notice the color change. Her top was green and now it's orange. Time to put the 7 mermaids in warm water. Her top is now a lighter blue. Wow, these mermaids are so beautiful. I would love to be a mermaid. Well, let's give Peppa what she wants. We're gonna try to make her a mermaid using Play-Doh. We're gonna use yellow Play-Doh for the fin and blue Play-Doh for the details. And there, our Peppa Pig is now a beautiful mermaid. Yay! I'm a beautiful mermaid. Well guys, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned for a lot more from Disney Princess and Mermaids right here on Disney Collector.